In this short video, you'll learn how to create beautiful, interactive maps for your WordPress website using the Atlas Maps plugin. We'll focus on the free version today, how to set it up and create your first interactive map. In a follow-up video, we'll dive into the Pro version and explore the additional features it unlocks. I'm running a WordPress instance, and I'll start by downloading the Atlas Maps plugin from the WordPress plugins directory. I'll install it and activate it. You'll notice that a new link called Atlas Maps appears in the admin menu. If we open it, we'll see the option to add new maps. Let's create one now. We can give the map a name for internal reference and start configuring it. The free version comes with 3 map options: a map of Europe, a world map, and a map of the United States. The Pro version expands this to include maps for 198 countries and 56 US territories. On the right side of the screen, you'll find 2 configuration panels: Map Settings and Region Settings. Any options you adjust under Map Settings apply to the entire map. For example, you can change the theme, and the style of the map updates instantly. You can also toggle specific territories on and off. For instance, hide or display Alaska or Hawaii, and the map will update accordingly. Now let's collapse the Include section to give ourselves a bit more space and a clearer view of the other available features. You've already seen the Theme section. Next is the Features section, which gives you the ability to add tooltips and click actions. Tooltips are not enabled by default, but once you turn them on, they'll display the region name when you hover over it. You can change this behavior by selecting Custom Text and entering any text you'd like to appear, which can contain any of the available placeholders. Next, let's look at click actions. We can enable click actions, set the action to follow URL, and provide a link. Let's publish the map and use it on a page. I'll copy the generated shortcode, paste it on a page, save it, and then preview it. Now, if we click any region on the map, we're redirected to the URL we set under Click Actions. So far, you've seen how the Map Settings panel applies configuration globally to the entire map. But let's say you want the click action to take the user to the US Wikipedia page for all states, except for California, which should point to its own Wikipedia page. You can override the global settings for a specific region in the Region Settings panel. I'll collapse Map Settings to make more room. Then, under Region Settings, I'll find California. For click action, I'll choose Follow URL and paste the link to California's page. After publishing the updates and refreshing the page, you'll see that all states link to the US Wiki page, except for California, which links to its own Wiki page. The same principle applies to every option in the Features section. Set your defaults in Map Settings and override them in Region Settings when needed. Let's look at another feature available in the free version: pins. You can place pins at any coordinates on the map. For example, to add one in Key West, Florida, open the Pins section under Region Settings and create a new pin named Key West, Florida. Enter the location coordinates. By default, the tooltip shows the pin name, but you can fully customize it. If you can't find a feature you need in the free version, take a look at Atlas Maps Pro. You can hover over the Pro labels in the interface to preview the extra features they unlock. Or watch the follow-up video linked at the end of this tutorial for a full overview of the Pro features.